Hi, I'm Kieran. I'm gonna be videoing my sister's gonna be videoing me. So let me hand it over to her. All right, here we go.
You ready? You're a dork.
Ready. I miss your smile, and I feel gentle here every once in a while. Even if I'm now, you're still here somehow. My heart let you go, and I need you to know I miss you. Sha-la-la-la, I miss you.
Thank you very much.